Have you ever wanted to explore the big question in our life? And that is why we are here and what makes the life meaningful, but got lost in the philosophy? Then stick around because today I'm breaking down the 5 beginners friendly philosophy books that will make you feel like a deep thinker without needing a PhD degree in philosophy. The first on our list is Sophie's World, a novel and a philosophy lessons rolled into one. Imagine getting a mysterious letter that takes you on a whirlwind tour of Western philosophy. That's the Sophie's journey, and trust me, you will be hooked. This book is perfect for beginners because it's told as a story, not as a lecture. Think of it like a Netflix series. Each chapter introduces a new philosopher, and the twists will keep you turning the pages. It's approachable, imaginative, and fun. Plus, you will actually remember those big ideas when you are done reading the book. Now, let's talk about a book that teaches you to chill in the chaos Meditations. Written by a Roman emperor, this is basically a self help guide from 2000 years ago. If you have ever dealt with stress or bad days, this book is like a pep talk for your soul. It's full of short, reflective passages that have you saying, I needed this. Coming in hot with the OG of philosophy, The Republic. No, I know that you're thinking Plato sounds intimidating, right? But stay with me. This book dives into justice, politics, and what makes a good society. Plus, it's a home to the famous allegory of the cave. The allegory of the cave is like realizing you have been binge watching reality shows your whole life, and then someone shows you your documentary's mind blown. It's deep but surprising, digestible for beginners, especially if you focus on the key dialogues. If you prefer a quick overview of the greats, the story of philosophy is your go to. It's like Spark Notes but classy. Will Durant gives you the juicy bits of the history most influential philosophers in a conversational tone. Imagine your smartest friend explaining philosophy over a cup of coffee. That is this book. You'll have to read this book to find out how he summarizes the niches in just few paragraphs. Last but not the least, the one that hits you right in the feels Man's Search for Meaning. Viktor Frank combines philosophy and psychology, sharing his experience as a Holocaust survivor and how finding meaning kept him alive. It's raw, real, and life changing. You will walk away with a new perspective on suffering, purpose, and resilience. One idea from this book has inspired millions. Its secret to finding meaning in any situation. So, there you have it, 5 incredible books to kickstart your philosophy journey. Whether you want practical wisdom, deep insights, or just mind expanding read, these books have you covered. So, which one are you picking first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to explore more ideas, hit the like button and do subscribe.